Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 14 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was academician Srikant Datar has been named as the dean of which business school? Stanford, Harvard, IIT Bombay, option D IIT Delhi. The correct answer here is Harvard. Option B is correct here. Recently, the eminent Indian origin academician Srikant Datar has been named as the dean of the Harvard Business School, succeeding Nitin Noida. Succeeding Nitin Noida, he achieved the dean position of the Harvard Business School. Okay. Our second question was which state will build temporary shelter for migratory birds? Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, option D, Goa. The correct answer here is Rajasthan. Recently, the Rajasthan government will build the temporary shelter for the migratory birds near the famous Shambar Lake. They will be built before the 2020 winter season when a large number of birds come from the Central Asia. Okay. Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlat and Kalraj Mishra is the governor of Rajasthan. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is when International Day of Disaster Reduction observed? 12 October, 13 October, 14 October, option D 15 October. The correct answer here is 13 October. International Day of Disaster Reduction is observed globally on 13 October. Okay, it was started in 1989 by United Nations. This year's International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction is all about the governance. It's all about the governance. Okay. Next question. Who has won 17th NBA championship? Los Angeles Lakers, Miami Heat, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The answer here is Los Angeles Lakers. The Los Angeles Lakers defeated Miami Heat to win the National Basketball Association's Championship 2020. NBA abbreviation is National Basketball Association's. Okay, and the National Basketball Association, the headquarters is situated in New York. It is established in 6 June 1946. 6 June 1946. Okay. Next question. Who has released RS 100 commemorative coin to honor Vijay Raje Scindia? Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Narendra Modi, option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. As per you see the Prime Minister Narendra Modi here, the correct answer here is option C, Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin of the RS 100 rupees coin to mark the birth centenary coin of the Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia. She was one of the founder member of the BJP. The special coin has been minted by the Ministry of Finance, and Nirmala Sitharaman is our Finance Minister of our India. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of India in CRI index by Oxfam? 120, 129, 130, 158. The answer here is 129. Option B is correct here. India has been ranked 129 among the 158 countries in 2020. The commitment to reducing inequality, CRI abbreviation is Commitment to Reducing Inequalities Index. Okay, and this year it is focused as inequality in the time of the COVID-19. And remember one thing, Norway is in the first position. Okay, and our India is in the 129 position in the CRI index released by Oxfam. And one thing, India's health budget is the world's fourth lowest. India's health budget is the world's fourth lowest, and one half of the population access only the basic health facilities. It is very much simple and for India. India's budget is fourth lowest budget of the among all the countries. Next question. CM Chang passed away. He was the environment minister of his state. Nagaland, Mizoram, Rajasthan, option D, Gujarat. The answer here is Nagaland. Nagaland's environment minister CM Chang recently passed away due to the COVID-19. He was a retired IS officer and former MP of Lok Sabha. Former MP of Lok Sabha. You can see the image of CM Chang here. Nagaland is in news. Capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Nephew Rio is the chief minister. Nephew Rio is the chief minister of Nagaland, and R.N. Ravi is the governor of Nagaland. Okay. Next question. Which state become first state to have complete digital high-tech classroom? Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, or option D, Kerala? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option D, Kerala. Recently, Kerala's Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has declared the state public education sector completely digital as the Kerala become the first state in the country to have high-tech classroom in all its public school. Among the high-tech classroom. Okay. You can see here the high-tech classroom of the Kerala. Capital of the Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan, and Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Next question. ADB, Asian Development Bank, has signed a $300 million loan to finance which state for water supply? Rajasthan, Bihar, Odisha, or option D, Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer here is Rajasthan. Recently, Asian Development Bank has signed a $300 million loan to finance the inclusive and the sustainable water supply of Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. ADB, Asian Development Bank. The president of Asian Development Bank is Masamitsu Ashikawa. The headquarters is situated in Philippines. Okay. Next question. Goa government ties up with whom to get farmer enrolled in PM Kisan scheme? In PM Kisan scheme, Reliance, India Post, Tata Group, or option D, none of these? The answer here is India Post. Recently, Goa government has ties up with the India Post to get 11,000 farmers enrolled in the PM Kisan scheme. The abbreviation of PM Kisan scheme is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. Goa is in news. Capital of Goa is Panaji. Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant, and Governor is the Bhagat Singh Koshyari, the Governor of the Maharashtra, take the additional charge of the Goa. Okay. Next question. Carlton Chapman passed away. He was related to which sports? Cricket, basketball, football, or option D, tennis? The correct answer here is option C, football. You can see the image of Carlton Chapman here. The former Indian football captain, the Carlton Chapman, recently passed away. He was born on 13th April 1971 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. He was the captain of the Indian team when India won the South Asian Football Federation Gold Cup. Okay, you can see the image of the Carlton Chapman here, the former football captain of our India. Next question. Who have launched Earthshot Prize? Prince William, David Attenborough, both A and B, option D, none of this. The answer here is both A and B. Recently, the Britain's Prince William and naturalist David Attenborough have launched an Earthshot Prize with an aim to encourage the change and support to repair the planet. Okay, what is the aim? Aim to encourage the change and the support to repair the planet. You can see the image of the Prince William and the David Attenborough here. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who has won men's 2020 French Open title? Our second question is, which government has approved tree transplantation policy? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, thank you for watching this session. If you first visit Educational Wing, then subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.